can do nothing for you. Yes, keep on, beta. I could not read that one. Sorry. Pick sorry. Okay. 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 Now let's come back to the today's thought of the day. Yesterday, yesterday we started our day, and the 30 minutes we have done different activities. Who will share what we have done yesterday? First slide. Sir, you just hold this one. I'm just asking. There is a problem in my voice. I'm trying my level best, Peter. I'm trying my level best. So yesterday we saw the first video was about our, sir, it's okay. You keep this one. Okay, thank you, darling. We just watched a beautiful video. What was it about? The video was about kindness. Do you remember? Yes, thank you, Masa. Thank you, darling. And kindness. And what was the most common word all the participants? What was the word they used? Thank you. Very good. I'm just reviewing. It's just a recap. Very good. Now, what was the video about that? An act of kindness goes around and come back around always. Then the short film was about how the act of kindness connects a number of people together for the simple reason of being good to someone. Remember that? That was a lesson we have got. We have to be very kind to each other. And remember that in the morning video, in the morning slide, I showed even a bird is not going to help any person, but a little kind gesture is there. So the bird was happy. Now, second thing is that before I start my lecture, previous videos I have been watching, and hopefully you all have gone through that 3 videos. Somebody asked me the word monarch, and I told that I don't know for what reason the child asked me for monarch. What do you want the meaning of that word, beta? But I will tell you. Anyhow, I forgot that, but through the video I came to know the word monarch came, and I said Shahi ya Badshah ya kuch aisa I informed like this. But monarch means it's a Greek word, means one ruler. It can be a king or queen or emperor, if somebody has asked. Secondly, one thing Rabia asked me, teacher, when we will get the new book, are you going to explain the lesson again? And I said, beta, for 3 days, I have given you in details, but darling, if you get the new book, just turn on the previous pages, the old book, write down anything, and if still you have any query or any question, I will definitely help you. Okay, now these are the 3 slides yesterday. Now quick answer is required. So the second, yeah, the third one. The third one also. Yes. Now what did you see in these pictures? Yesterday, a quick review. It is a scene of, it is a scene migration. Well done. Migration means moving from one place to another. Well done, well done, well done. And you all said they are in a miserable condition, poor condition. Why? Because very good. Thank you, thank you, thank you, darling. So they were in a miserable condition because it happens to in both sides. Those who wanted to move to Pakistan, they left everything, whether their piece of land, their old kind of property, whatsoever they own, they left it over there and moved towards Pakistan. And same was here also. Those who wants to join India, they also left their things here in Pakistan and they moved towards India. और रास्ते में क्या हो रहा था? Because facilities were not there, सहूलियात नहीं थी जो आज के दौर में है, तो कत्लो गारत का बाजार भी गर्म था. So बहुत सारे लोग जो थे काफिलों की सूरत में जब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, चाहे इंडिया से पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान से इंडिया, तो क्या था रास्ते में? डाकू, लुटेरे लूट भी लेते थे, कत्लो गारत भी. सो दे वर इन अ wretched condition. जब वो जिस जगह भी, चाहे वो इंडिया पहुंचे या पाकिस्तान पहुंचे, दे वर इन अ wretched condition. And who welcomed them? किन्होंने उन्हें वेलकम किया, खुशामदीद कहा? Towards Pakistan, those who shifted, those who migrated, Qaid. and many other Muslims. एक छोटी सी example लेते हैं. Let's take an example of our daily life. Suppose if we have shifted from one place to another. एक घर से दूसरे घर में जब shift होते हैं तो what happens? क्या होता है? A chaos situation is at home. क्यों? Things are not in order. Things are not in a proper way. Kitchen का सामान somewhere in the bedroom. Bedroom का सामान के. And then we take 2-3 weeks to get the things settled, to put right the things. So same is the situation. Those who migrated from one place to another, they were in a miserable condition. So yesterday I gave you the little review of that, little introduction of that one. Now, just one thing, mic on करके बोलिएगा बेटा, mic on करके. It is the page number 92. You can turn out the page 92. Yes, page 92 in your books. And I told you, beta, fourth chapter is merged in chapter number 2. And after the question, role of Quaid-e-Azam in the creation of Pakistan, the question we have done in the last 3 days, the next question is they have joined is the consolidation of the state and search for a constitution and early problems. So page number 92, quick response. Who took oath from Quaid-e-Azam as a Governor General? Jaldi se mic on कीजिएगा. Turn on the mic and speak. It is on the page number 92. Yes, darling. So much hard to handle with the shifting, you're right. Now I'm asking you the different question. Who took oath from Qaid? It is just a review of page number 92. Chief Justice Sir Abdul
Rashid.
Very good. And who was the first Speaker of the Assembly? Speak out.
Maulvi Tamizuddin.
Well done. Thank you, beta. Maulvi Tamizuddin. And how many members were the part of that first Constituent Assembly earlier?
69 and then 79.
Well done, well done. I want the same response from my boys also. Very good, Fiaz. Thank you, Smita. Thank you. Now, shall we move to page number 93? So, page number 93, please change the slide. On the 12th line, yes, thank you, beta, 79. Thank you, darling. Now, page number 93, and I want you to keep your pencils in your hands, beta. 12th line, we just stopped ourselves, stopped the lesson there. Shall I start? Thumbs up if you want. Tell me that if you are ready for the next. Oh, thank you, darling. Now, page number 93, 12th line. We are just talking about the unjust division of Redcliffe. And in Urdu, it is written, Redcliffe ki ghair munsifana taqseem. And who was appointed to do the division of the areas?
Redcliffe.
Very good. Redcliffe was in charge of that one. And he was influenced by whom? किसका ज़्यादा असर था उस पे? किसके अंडर कंट्रोल था वो?
Lord Mountbatten.
Well done, well done. He was under the Lord Mountbatten. So there was unjust and unfair partition was done. कैसे? कैसे देखिए? Now we will see. Conspiringly. Conspiringly का मतलब साजिश. Have you got? I'm starting from after the 12th line. Have you got? Okay. Conspiringly, some obvious Muslim majority areas were included in India. क्या मतलब? साजिश के तहत obvious जो बहुत prominent Muslim majority areas थे, they became the part of the India. उन्हें India के साथ मिला दिया गया. Got it. Thank you, beta. I'm just doing it very slow, so you must cut the point and the line. Now, next line. The agreed map, according to the population and the line drawn on it was altered. The agreed map क्या मतलब? Agreed map का मतलब it was decided by both the parties, Congress and Muslim League. So the agreed map was done and the line was drawn that these areas will become the part of India, these will be given to Pakistan. So it was altered. Altered means change कर गया. They brought change in that. तो altered का मतलब तब्दील कर दिया. यहीं से you will come to know that unjust division. अब what was the unjust division? Redcliffe unjustly deprived Pakistan of some important areas. Redcliffe unjustly गैर मुनसिफाना तौर पे जिसमें इंसाफ नहीं था. Deprived means महरूम कर दिया गया. Were taken from Pakistan. कौन से important areas थे? Now this is the short question. Pakistan was deprived of some important areas. Just make it a question, beta. It can be a short question. Write on SQ. When I say short question, use the abbreviation SQ. Now it will be the short question. What are the most important areas given to India? Three of the tehsils of Gurdaspur district. What are the areas now? Gurdaspur, number one, circle kar le. Pathankot, Batala, Zaira, the tehsil of Ferozpur, and some other areas were comprised of an overwhelming means बहुत ज़्यादा, large, enormous. Majority of population of the Muslims were handed over to India. Put a circle around these three lines. What are the areas? Gurdaspur, Pathankot, Batala, Zaira, and the Tehsil of Ferozpur. Overwhelming majority means ओवरवेलमिंग का मतलब इन enormous, very large. यहाँ पर मुसलमानों की अक्सरियत बहुत ज्यादा थी. These areas were given. Now this is the short question you have got. Now how you will come to know? Look at the map on your right side. Can you just see? Put your pencil on the word Amritsar. Amritsar was the part of Punjab. पंजाब के जरिए देखें अमृतसर से पहुंचे ऊपर जाएं तो क्या आता है? गुरदासपुर नजर आया? Can you see Gurdaspur? Then Pathankot. और पठानकोट से ऊपर क्या आ रहा है? Disputed area, Jammu and Kashmir. Now when Gurdaspur, Pathankot was given, तो क्या हो गया? इंडिया ने जब ये अपने पास रखे, ये इंडिया में शामिल हुआ, तो they can easily reach Jammu and Kashmir. So the access to Jammu and Kashmir was made possible through this division. Now we are going to read the next line. India was granted access to the state of Jammu and Kashmir through inclusion. Inclusion means included of Gurdaspur in India. This is what I just showed you through the map, that through the Gurdaspur, India got the access to reach Jammu and Kashmir. Sir Redcliffe not only deprived the Muslims of their areas and rights, but also create the problem of Kashmir issue. Now, when they were able to reach, Indians were able to reach through this map, the rights and the areas were given to the Hindus, the majority area the. They created an issue of Kashmir also. He planted a seed of enmity. Seed, beej hota hai, enmity means dushmani, so Urdu meaning hoga dushmani ka beej. Between what? Between the two nations. That is still a bone of contention between the two. What is bone of contention? लड़ाई की जड़, फसाद की जड़. So deprived means बेटा महरूम कर देना. इंडिया ने जब रेडक्लिफ ने उनकी डिवीजन की तो एरियाज हैविंग मेजॉरिटी वर गिवन टू द इंडियंस. तो उसमें क्या था? टू एक्सेस द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, दोस मेजॉरिटी एरियाज वर given to them and they were deprived from this one. Is that clear now? Okay. Then rehabilitation. अब rehabilitation का मतलब क्या है? You have read in the, okay darling, thank you. Rehabilitation means restore karna, bahal karna, and I know that you have done it in the English. That was the about the drugs rehabilitation. Remember that? Bahal karna, restore karna. Refugees mean Mahajirin. Now the slides we have seen, migration part is there. Mahajirin ki bahali. In Urdu it will be the Mahajirin ki bahali. Things are clear to those who are having the Urdu book? I know that there are 3-4 students studying in Urdu, so that's why I'm doing the translation also. After the establishment of Pakistan, the Muslims living in India decided to come into their new homeland as they found their lives unsafe there. What happened? After the establishment, when the division was done, the Muslims in India, they thought that we must move towards our new state, a separate state. And they knew that the rights which are not given to us in the subcontinent, definitely it will be given to them in the new Muslim state. So millions of families journeyed towards Pakistan. Millions means lakhon ki taadad mein started moving towards Pakistan. Now see that, leaving all their belongings in India. अपनी तमाम जायदाद, whatever property they were holding, they left it in India. These homeless, now there are so many words, homeless, ruined, miserable and distressed. Homeless means बेघर लोग, ruined तबाहशुदा बुरी हालत में, miserable same बर्बाद हुए बुरी हालत में, distressed means दुखी. Once again, what type of people were moving towards Pakistan? Homeless, ruined, miserable, distressed. तबाहशुदा बुरे हालात में, बर्बाद हुए लोग, दुखी लोग जो थे, मुस्लिम्स वर वहां पर पहुंचे. मुस्लिम्स वर अकोमोडेटेड. अकोमोडेटेड का मतलब एडजस्ट किया. कैसे? टेम्पररली. टेम्पररली मीन्स आरजी तौर पर, वक्ती तौर पर. दे हैड बीन अकोमोडेटेड देयर in refugees camp. अब घर तो नहीं बने हुए थे ना बेटा. This is what I said. What is the situation when we shift from one place to another? Chaos. जगह अपनी जगह होती है. आप तो घर को शिफ्ट कर रहे होते हैं ना. They shifted from one place to another. So they were not given houses. वो तो बर्बाद हो चुके थे ना. I told you कि जब माइग्रेशन हुई, हिजरत की, तो लोग अपनी चीजें भी तोड़ गए हुए थे और कोई प्रॉपर इंतजाम नहीं था. तो they were kept in the refugees camp. Refugee camp. Sir, this is the same page. Please do not share the next screen. The government of Pakistan made an accelerated planning. Accelerate का मतलब आप फिजिक्स में पढ़ते बहुत तेजी से. Accelerate करना किसी की स्पीड को बढ़ाना. तो planning means हंगामी बुनियादों पर मंसूबाबंदी की. Accelerated planning to provide them with food, home, medicines and other necessities. Other necessities का मतलब है जरूरियात जिंदगी. अब ना तो उनके पास घर था, no medicine, no shelter, छत नहीं थी. You have seen they kept on moving from one place. किस तरह की? Even in your book, look at the right side of the page. You can see they are in a wretched condition. तो लोगों के पास जब ये तमाम सहूलियात नहीं थे, तो government took an action and they planned in emergency to provide them all the necessities of the life. The local people welcomed their Muslim brothers with open arms. They welcomed the people, those who were in the Pakistan. They welcomed them. With the joint efforts of the government and the people of Pakistan, the requirements of the refugees were met. With the joint effort. Ab jab dekhe, look at that one. We are going through the severe type of difficulty, that is Corona. So what is the civilians, the people, the nation and the government is on one page. We are trying, government is trying to facilitate people and we are providing the best help we can provide them. So क्या था कि गवर्नमेंट और वहाँ के अफराद जो थे, उन्होंने मिलकर रिफ्यूजीज को, महाजरीन को हर किस्म की हेल्प जो थी वो पहुंचाने की कोशिश की. Now what happened? Were met का मतलब है पूरी की गई. They were fulfilled. Am I clear? Okay, we will move to the next sentence. They were in such a large number that there was no capacity to accommodate them. अब इतनी ज्यादा जो तादाद में लोगों ने शिरकत की या माइग्रेशन की या हिजरत की, they were many. कैपेसिटी का मतलब उनके पास जगह नहीं थी to accommodate them, कि उन्हें वहां पर उनको सहूलियात दी जा सके, उन्हें एडजस्ट किया जा सके. So people settled wherever they got some space of shelter. जहां जहां जिसको जगह मिली, they started settling there under the camps, in the camps. Rehabilitation of the refugees was a great challenge. एक बहुत बड़ा challenge था. The world has not seen such a large scale of migration anywhere. दुनिया ने इससे पहले कभी भी इतनी ज्यादा तादाद में जो हिजरत थी वो नहीं देखी थी. Because I told you बेटा, migration was done from Pakistan to India and India to Pakistan. Now next page sir, 94 पे sir please ले जाइएगा. Sir share, no, this please, 94. Administrative problems क्या आई थी? What were the administrative problems क्या थी? इंतजामी मुश्किलात. Now Qaid was doing all these efforts with the help of people and I told you कि बहुत severe किस्म की shortage थी हर चीज के. Now administrative की इंतजामी मुश्किलात में क्या थी? क्या मुश्किलात थी? The non-Muslim government officials previously working, non-Muslim गैर मुस्लिम जो थे officers जो थे previously working in the areas of Pakistan shifted to India in large number. क्या हुआ कि जो officers इस area में सिंध, पंजाब, बलूचिस्तान सरहद में लोग काम कर रहे थे, when division was done, they moved towards the India. तो क्या हुआ, बहुत सारे गैर मुस्लिम जो यहाँ काम कर रहे थे, दे लेफ्ट. सो the offices were vacated. Vacated means खाली होगी जगह. Because why the offices vacated? People were not there to work in the offices. Because क्या था, shift हो गए. They also migrated. Now there was an acute shortage of. Acute means severe. शदीद किस्म की किल्लत थी. Of what? Shortage means किल्लत, कमी. There was an acute shortage of what? The items of furniture, stationery, and typewriter. अब typewriters जो थे, it's an old way to do the typing. अब उस जमाने में तो computers नहीं थे, तो टाइपराइटर्स थी जो चीजों को टाइप करने के लिए इस्तेमाल की जाती थी. सो ऑफिसर्स नहीं थे, severe shortage of the furniture नहीं था, stationery नहीं थी, and there was lot of issues standing in front of the people of Pakistan. Most of the offices started their function. Most of the offices started their functions का मतलब क्या है, काम करना शुरू किया. सब जो थे वहां पर, जहां जिसको जगह मिली, जितना भी उनके पास सामान था, विद द लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज दे स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. क्योंकि अगर काम ना करते कि जी हमें स्टेशनरी नहीं है, जगह नहीं है, ऑफिस नहीं है, तो वो मुश्किल हो जाना था बेटा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को चलाना. सो व्हाटसोएवर सहूलियात थी, व्हाटसोएवर फैसिलिटीज वर देयर, व्हाटसोएवर रिसोर्सेज वर देयर, दे स्टार्टेड फंक्शनिंग in the open area. अब open area क्या, offices भी नहीं होंगे proper, but still they started working. While going to India, the Hindus destroyed official record. अब record भी नहीं था. जाते जाते Hindus जो थे, उन्होंने जो office records थे, चीजें थी, उनको भी तोड़ दिया. It caused enormous difficulties in office work. और क्या था, enormous means at a large scale. It caused enormous difficulties in office work. अब काम करते वक्त things were not there. Can you mark it if your pencil is not in your hand? No, you cannot do it. एक छोटी सी pencil जो है, अगर आपके पास अभी नहीं है, तो you feel difficulty to get the lesson. But see, it was a big scale. At a big scale, जो था वो लोगों के लिए मुश्किलात खड़ी थी. But they tried to manage it by working in the open area with the limited resources and with the little stationery and the furniture. Up till here, my dear students, put the date. Another 2-3 points. Your homework is, what is your homework? To go through page 92, 93 till the administrative problems. How many points? 3 points. And the first page. The introduction, 92, 93, and 94. Read out, you have underlined, you have circled, and each and every, yes. Vacated means beta खाली हो जाना. Vacated खाली हो गया, empty हो गया. Cheer up Hamna, now I think it's enough for today beta. So your homework is to go through these pages and I will give you a short test on today's Thursday, Friday. Thank you Hamna, that's good beta. Thank you darling, thank you. That's all sir from my side.